today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. First thing we're going to make slime without any glue or borax. So first thing we will need is we have some shampoo, and we have some slime activator. For my activator, I used some Tide laundry detergent. You will also need some conditioner. And make sure your conditioner has pomegranate. And then you'll need some salt. And you'll need some shaving cream. You will need some 3-in-1 Suave Kids. Some hand soap, fluffy and normal. Some Aquafresh toothpaste. Aquafresh works the best. You're going to have Aquafresh. And I chose some purple glitter. Next, you will need to take a Rapid Clear neutralizing. Take out everything. And take all the wipies. Just call them wipies. And put them anywhere you want. I'm putting them over there. And this is our jar. So first thing we will need is some Suave Kids 3-in-1. I put about, say, half a cup, like a third. And then we will need some salt. And a stir. I'm using a pencil because I don't have anything on my spoon. Look like this. It starts to crumble up. You can see it start to clump together. That means it's working. And next, we will need some slime activator. Remember, I use Tide. Tide works best for me. And this is edible slime, by the way. And then we add some glitter. I'm adding that much. Then I guess no glitter is fine. And that is one slime that we can do. And then we just put the cap back on it and put it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and then we will get started with another one. Next, we will need the wipes that we used for the other one. And we will need about 1 wipe. 2 wipes, actually. Stacked on top of each other. Then we will need some glitter. Glitter is optional. I put about this much glitter. Then we'll need some shaving cream. And this is also edible. This is also edible. This is also edible. And just mix. And then we will need some salt again. Pro tip, do not add too much salt at a time. It will ruin your slime. And this one's done. This one's done. Let me show you guys what it looks like now. And then you put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes. I made 2 different kinds of those slimes. I'm going to put my things into the refrigerator and freezer. Thank you. I am back from the refrigerator and freezer, and I put them in it, and let's go see what they look like now. Okay. Now I have them right here, and let's see how they turned out. Okay, are you ready? Let's see the first one. The first one. Just turned into a nice little tiny slime. I like it. It stretches and it's very non-sticky. Now, what we need is to put that away. Next, what we will be looking at is the other slime. The other slime has not been working, so I'm going to go ahead and add some soap. Some foam soap. And I'm going to mix it up. It turned out like a nice and fluffy slime. It doesn't stretch much, but it's very fluffy. Next, that is all, and in my next video, I will be showing you how to clean your face without any face wipes, makeup, or anything else. Thank you. Bye.